Meaning of dernier CRI.
Dernier CRI.
Dernier CRI.
Dernier CRI.
Dernier CRI. The term dernier CRI is a French expression that refers to the latest or most fashionable trend. It is often used in the context of fashion or technology, indicating something that is cutting edge or at the forefront of innovation. The phrase translates directly to last scream in English. In essence, it describes an item or concept that is a culmination of the most recent advances and embodies the epitome of modernity and style. Overall, dernier CRI connotes a sense of excitement and anticipation for what lies ahead in the world of fashion and technology.